In this video you will learn how to use workspaces in ADOIT. First, head to the Workspaces scenario. Here, you will see all workspaces that exist in your repository. You can filter the workspaces by type. Or you can use the filter to see only the workspaces that are created by you, by others, or only those you're a member of. Finally, you can also search for particular workspaces by name. Click on New Workspace to start setting up a new workspace. Now, you can choose a template according to the service you need. By clicking on Preview, you can see what each template offers. Click Use to start with your chosen template. Start by giving your workspace a name. Optionally, add a description to provide more context. Then, invite the colleagues you want to collaborate with and assign their access rights. On the second setup page, select the element types you want to include. What do you want to create a roadmap for? On the final setup page, pick a prioritization method to effectively assess your requirements. Finally, click on Create Workspace. And just like that, your workspace is ready. Start collaborating right away. Click on the Home button to access all the workspaces you are a member of. Need assistance? Just head over to Help for guidance. And that's it. You're all set to collaborate, create, and drive your projects forward with ease. Have a look at the ADOIT online help for more information.